What's going on, everybody? So I wanted to go ahead and create a video on value, and hopefully this helps some people out, especially for any new wholesalers that are starting out with Smarter Contact. They want to better organize their campaigns, their leads. You know, maybe you don't have a CRM yet, or maybe you just want an overall flow of exactly what to do whenever you're getting a lead and how to label it correctly. So a lot of people don't know that you can actually edit the grades in Smarter Contact. If you click here and you hit edit grade settings, yes, and to get to the screen, all you have to do is hit the little wheel, the cog wheel right here in the upper right section. And what you're going to do is be able to go ahead and input a new grade, grade here, and add it. Here are mine, and as you can see, I have a lot of emojis with all of my grades. That's just because it's visually appealing, and then it's a little bit easier to go through in a campaign on the fly, and it makes my VA's life a whole lot easier because they know exactly what it is that they're wanting to grade and how to go about it. So automatically, whenever I get a lead, in a campaign, it's gonna say new, and I'm gonna put all of these emojis in the post above so that you can copy and paste them right into your system. So as soon as someone responds to my message, right, it's going to say new with the mailbox new. So boom, automatically it's new. From there, let's say you get someone engaged, right, and they're responding. I'm going to go ahead and put texting. It's the little texting bubble. I'm going to show you in the next screen how it shows up once someone, you get a conversation going, because you want to keep it short and simple. And sometimes, the character count will cut off whatever the grade is. So I try to make it where it all fit at once. And I might not have enough time in this Loom video to go over every single one. But most importantly, brand new lead, you're texting with them. That's very self-explanatory. If that text ends up being potential, then you're going to move it over to hot. If it's gonna, create, maybe you get them on the phone and you're gonna set up an appointment. Boom, you can push them over to your CRM. Let's say it doesn't go anywhere. Well, guess what? They're dead, right? This is the wrong numbers. They're not interested. Fuck you. Stop. Leave me alone. You know the deal. So wrong number, little emoji, coffin, and then the gravestone. I can't remember what they're called. And then some people use Smarter Contact to text blast, like a buyer's list from maybe PropStream that they pull. Well, I like to grade mine because what I can do then is I can actually export all those grades out, and I'll show you that. The one thing that we didn't cover was the follow-up. This is those leads that maybe you had a good conversation with, but you don't know if maybe they say follow up with me later on today or tomorrow. Well, you got a follow-up button, so then you can filter them all out. So let's go to my messenger. And then as you can see, I've got a couple. Here, let me go ahead and this is a hot one. I need to label that. Okay, boom. So as you can see, it's very, very visually appealing, right? You can go through all my messages, and there's obviously going to be a lot of red because it's a numbers game. So let me show you really quick what I mean by exporting out, all the buyers. So if you do you pull a buyers list and you're gonna export them out, and maybe you want to build your cash buyers list and put it in an Excel sheet or maybe a Google sheet. So you're just gonna unselect the all button. You're gonna hit the buyer grade and refresh the screen. And then boom, you have all the buyers, right? But on top of that, you can actually even do something better. You can export them, or you can send them to a folder. So export to CRM, export to a file, and boom, now you easily just saved yourself a lot of time. No copy and pasting. It's just simple click of a button. So I hope this helped you guys out. I really appreciate everyone's patience. I'm going to try to do this more often. There's a whole lot of other stuff in Smarter Contact that I can't wait to show you. But otherwise, may the 4th be with you, and thank you so much for watching this video.